Good morning, my friends. Welcome back. We are here with another fun-filled day of science, and I'm so excited to be here with you today. So the last couple days, we've been exploring different states of matter. We've been looking at water in the states of liquid and in the states of solid. Okay, we're using water as our example, so we looked at it as water in its liquid form and then as ice in its solid form. And after seeing what happens to water as it's cold as ice and at room temperature as water, we know that it can both hold its shape and form to whatever shape of container it's in. Now today we're going to look at what happens to water as it heats up. Now just like the other two stages, in this state it is uniquely its own, and it takes its own form. Now in this stage, the particles in the water move around so quickly that something very unique happens to them. I want you to see what happens. Take some guesses first before we watch our video. You might have noticed yesterday in one of your other videos. Now we're going to watch this video here completely together, but I'm going to show you another video first. So we're going to bounce back to this one that we'll watch together. Both of these two videos will be on your Google slide, and I'm also going to leave one of the videos from yesterday there also. Okay. So then in this video, you can see in this little spot here, after turning on the stove, this gentleman's, the water, after heating up, is releasing this little, it looks like a cloud of smoke or like a little cloud from the sky. And what's happening is that water is turning to vapor. Okay, the water gets so hot, the molecules move around that they expand and they do something called evaporate. And they actually go up into the air. So they actually disappear from the pan. So I'm going to play the video here. And so he's watching, so he keeps going back to the clock on the stove. So here you can see the water's boiling. And he's seeing over time how long it takes all of the water to evaporate out of the pan. I think in the name of the video it says it takes about 25 minutes. But I'm showing you this video so you can see the smoke or the steam, I guess. I'm sorry. I keep referring to it as smoke. This is not smoke. It is called steam when it's water. So it's water vapor or steam. And when that happens, again, this video for the angle so you can see the steam. So that steam there is little water particles coming up out of the pot. Okay. So now we're going back to our other video, which I have also taken the sound out of because it is a little bit crazy. But you can listen to it on your own if you listen to it at your home. So what I will do is I will link, because you have so many videos in your Google slide today, what I will do is I will link them on the words in your Google slide. So the words in your slide will be blue. Excuse me. The words will be blue. So click on the blue words and that will get you to these videos. So the other one that you just saw was evaporating water on a stove. So if you click on those blue words, it'll get you to that video. And this one is time lapse from ice to vapor. So this video is going to take us through all three stages of the states of matter. So from solid to liquid to gas, which is really cool. If we can get the video to load. Here we go. So here we have ice, As you can see, the pot is sitting on a stove. So the stove is on because the ice is getting warmer because it's melting. And it's becoming more and more water. So it was all solid matter. Now it's all liquid matter. Stove is still on, so now they might have turned up the temperature. And the bubbles mean it's boiling. And now, do you see the white steam? Any of those white, cloudy material you see? Is going to be the steam coming off of the pot. And that's the water vapor. That's the gas. The final state of matter. Okay, and again, they're boiling all of the liquid out. And again, you're going to say, our pan is now empty. And the pan was empty, right? The pan became empty because all of the liquid was boiled out of it. It was heated up so much that it all evaporated out of the pan. And that happens with water. Okay. The gases leave the pan. Okay, that's pretty cool. So I will have that information for you in your Google slide for today. But I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have a great day. See you guys tomorrow.